Welcome back, my math superstars. We have learned how to count all the way up to 10, and we've learned a couple shapes. Today on the Ray of Math, we're going to review everything and make sure we got it, okay? Let's go. Let's get it started. Let's count these shapes. Let's say our number is 1 to 10. Do you remember my number cards? We're going to use these first, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. You did splendid. And I know you remember our shapes. Square, rectangle, and our beloved triangle. Let's count and show shapes. 1 is a circle. 2 is a triangle. 3 is a square. 4 is a rectangle. 5 is a triangle. 6 is a circle. 7 is a rectangle. 8 is a square. 9 is a triangle. And 10 is a rectangle. So with us going through 1 to 10 and mixing up the numbers, that will help you to remember how to count. And it will also help you recognize these 4 shapes very easily. You've mastered counting to 10 and you've mastered basic shapes. Next month, we'll start exploring colors and patterns. I cannot wait for you guys to join me again. I can't wait for us to learn more together. I just can't wait. Thank you for joining, and I can't wait to see you again. Goodbye.